Okay, we're going to go ahead and start our webinar tonight. I want to thank everybody for coming out and taking some time with us again. We're going to keep doing these every night, and we're going to keep getting them better and better and better. Tonight we'll, keep the call fairly short. I do want to give an update on everything and, congratulate everybody on another great day. We had another great day of enrollments today, so thank you everybody that's participating actively, getting new people involved. It's fantastic to see what's happening and what's about to happen. It's just awesome to be a part of this company, especially, right on the front end of something that's going to be huge worldwide and just really something truly special. This product, I know a lot of you have received your product. A lot of you are waiting to receive it, but I just can't wait for everybody to have it, become their own testimony and use it. That's another thing I wanted to bring up on tonight's call was, please start to send in testimonies. I have received a few just great testimonies, and I can't thank you all enough for sending those in. We're going to definitely use that for our products page. Our products page is definitely coming along. We actually have a couple of people working on it right now. The text is written. It's awesome. It's great information. So definitely educate yourself on that when it comes out. And we're going to put FAQs on it and just keep making it better every day. That is our only goal. Our only goal is to, keep expanding and adding representatives and changing the world with every bottle we sell, but also getting better. We're going to take all these suggestions, we're going to implement them, and we're just going to continue to grow and get better every day. On our end, I have no complaints. Everything is running great, running smoothly. The kinks are getting worked out, and the dust is settling. We are implementing and constantly working on the website, so if you ever see that it's down or down for maintenance or sorry, we'll be back soon, that's what's happening. It's just a simple implementation that has to keep going on and keep the website healthy and vibrant and continuing to push forward. This product is awesome. I've talked to a ton of people today who actually received it, started using it immediately, and they're just so excited, and I can feel it in the air. It's really fun to be a part of it. When people realize how this product can change their life forever, someone who's always been sick, starts a daily regimen, now they're not sick anymore. All kinds of things, and that's the thing I want everybody to know is, this product is so versatile. Magic 10 Silver, it can be used in, a number of ways. You can get a little sprayer and you can spray it in your nose for sinus infections, spray it in your ears, ear infections, eyes. So you can use this externally as well as internally. And you can use it, more if, for instance, say you have a sore throat, you can gargle with it and get that taken care of. It's great for everything, even scrapes, cuts, this is perfect. This is actually being used currently by medical professionals. Cleaning, you can use it to clean, because it kills the bacteria. So it's just awesome. I mean, this product can be used in so many ways, and that's really what our goal is with the product page. We really want to bring, all of these uses and all of these stories to light. So that's why I don't think a better group to bring that to light is a better group than our community. Our community is fantastic, so I definitely appreciate every one of you and all of your contributions. I can tell that the community is strong from the inside out, and we're just going to continue to keep getting stronger. So again, education is first. We're just going to keep getting better. My goal is, to switch up the calls and to bring in some, people that can help as well, because this is a business. That's the wonderful thing too. Yeah, we get a great product, but we also get a great business. And we really want to capitalize on the business, the retail sales. There's so much in the retail sale of every one of these products. We want to teach people how to be effective with that. We want to teach people how they can be successful on a retail side with the retail sales of these products. But then, the bread and butter and the all the magic in this program is we've attached it to this awesome pay plan. This pay plan is so simple, it's for everyone. But it's so powerful that it's really going to help those who really want to get there, get there. I'm already seeing it happen. It's already fantastic. I mean, we're already seeing, residual income and, people, building a nice income right out of the gate. So the money is definitely there. And that's one thing we want to do is we want to treat this like a business. It's not a $20 business. This is a for real deal business with a for real deal product that you can feel great about. That really is a product for everyone, and that's the other thing that's so exciting. This product is for everyone, and people need to be educated on how powerful this product will be for them. Let's get it in all the households around the world. Let's do it together. But, again, on our side, things are great. I can't thank everybody enough for their support, their patience with us during this launch. I know it's been hectic and, here, there, and everywhere. But like I said, I really feel that we're coming out of the tunnel. The dust is settling. Products are being shipped every day. Representatives are being added every day. And a new wave is coming, and that's the other thing, with the bulk of reps that we have, there's a new wave coming, just with everybody's excitement. So, hold on. Let's get ready for a fun ride. But that's really it. I just kind of wanted to bring people up to speed. I'll tell you right now what's being worked on. What's being worked on is shortened links. We're definitely working on, getting the links to where they're customizable. We're also working on the automatic W-9 form for your tax purposes in your e-wallet, so you can set that reserve and request pay. Now, like I said, if any of you are in the need of requesting that now, you can either send an email to support@Magic 10 Marketing, or you can send it to myself, Matt@Magic 10 Marketing, and I can get you the tax information out to you. Again, we need to get that back, and then we can start the process. But again, that's being worked on, so it's all automated and digital, so you don't have to go through the process of signing it and sending it back in, and it's a headache. But that's how it is right this second, but that is being worked on. The other thing that we're working on is the Pay It Forward button that everybody has been requesting that we add to the back office, as well as the ability to purchase, more product with the commissions earned. So again, there are a few things that are being worked out, but we have a team of engineers that work on that, every single day. So again, our only goal is to continue to keep getting better, continue to serve the community the best we can, and put out this amazing product to the world. It's just fun to see. I talk to people from all over the world, and it's just great to see what's happening. So again, everything's positive, everything's good. I'm going to send out a constant contact to all of our whole community tomorrow, and with a challenge to get a couple of people on the phone call that haven't ever heard about Magic 10 Marketing before. So I'm going to start throwing some challenges out there for our community, just to keep it fun, keep it real, and to really enlighten people. It's easy to get on a phone call for 20 minutes, because that's really how long it takes to go through our whole company, our whole program top to bottom. But again, tonight, just a quick update. Everything's good. Product shipping. If you do need information, please, if you need support, please reach out to your sponsor, reach out to your uplines. They're definitely there to help you, or you can contact us. You can reach out to us with the 800 number on the support page, or you can email support@magic10marketing.com, or myself, Matt@magic10marketing.com. But other than that, everything's good. So I challenge everybody on the call tonight. Let's get a couple people each that haven't ever heard about Magic 10 Marketing on the call tomorrow night. I'm going to send out a company-wide email to the whole community, and I'm sure we'll tap out the call tomorrow night. So I want to respect everybody's time, not going to waste it. I thank you very much for everything. Let's keep this community growing like it is, and let's just keep getting better. If you have suggestions, if you see something that you think can be better, please let us know. We definitely don't take a blind eye to suggestions. We know that we can be better. And that's it. So, the other thing, send in your testimonials. We're going to use them. We're going to use them on the product page. So the product page, I would say a day or two, it will be here, and it's going to be beautiful and really awesome. I can't wait for that to be here. And again, we're going to continue to make that better also. So that's really it tonight, folks. I hope everybody has a great night. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for taking the time. Tomorrow night, we're going to dig into the compensation plan, the real power of Magic 10 marketing, and, the phenomenal residual income that can be built, especially, with like-minded individuals playing together. We teach you how to win together. So again, I can't thank you enough. I hope you have a fantastic night. God bless and take care.